Everyone, this is Summer once again before you. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Do you know what my today's topic is? Yeah, now I will be talking about the importance of learning English. The importance of learning English cannot be described in words. We all know that English is an international language, so it's very important for the people and especially for the students. You know, in Bangladesh, all of the many students cannot speak in English and they cannot make a brilliant result in their examination. And many students who can speak in English in Bangladesh, they are improving in their studies and also they are getting a lot of gifts from the foreigner people. And also for connecting with the foreigner people, we need to speak in English. And if you wanna go abroad, you need to learn English. And you know English as it is international language, so all the people learn English to communicate globally. And for connecting with the foreigner people, you need to learn English, and you can communicate with them. And also in all website in mobile phone, everything has been written in English. So if you want to if you want to understand this, you have to learn English. And English is our second language, so it is difficult to learn. But if you work hard, it will be very easy for you. And also, if you go there, you will learn English, and if you learn English, you will do better in your future, and you will succeed in your life. Thank you.
Now say something about your English care, because you are my student, you are a student of your English care, but you got admission in your English care, and after joining your English care, what is the variation between this? Now tell me about the condition of your English care. Tell me.
Before joining your English care, I couldn't speak in English, and also I even couldn't make any sentence. I didn't know the value of learning English. And after joining your English care, I can make a lot of sentences, and also I can speak in English. And I think I'm improving day by day. So if you wanna learn English, you can join here and you can learn English here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.